You've been observing your thoughts. Now it's time to take back control and move forward intentionally. Sa nakaraang linggo, week 3, natutunan mo kung paano i-observe ang thoughts mo. Yung mga automatic na paulit-ulit na lumalabas sa isip mo. Pero ito yung katotohanan. Awareness alone is not enough. Para bang nanonood ka lang ng pelikula ng buhay mo, pero hindi ka pa rin kumikilos para paguhin ang script. Ang tunay na transformation ay nangyayari kapag pinili mong i-interrupt ang luma mong pattern at gumawa ng bagong choice. Reflect for a moment. Ilang beses mo nang nahuli ang sarili mong nagre-react the same way sa stress? Gaano kadalas mong naititake for granted ang mga opportunities kasi stuck ka sa comfort zone? May mga relationships o habits ba na hindi mo alam paano babaguhin? Kaya nagiging paulit-ulit ang cycle. This week, we'll talk about how to break free from autopilot and start designing your life with conscious, intentional action. I understand how frustrating it feels to keep repeating the same patterns. Normal sa lahat ng tao ang magkaroon ng subconscious programming. Para itong default settings ng isip natin. Nakaprogram ang isip para mag-save ng energy. Kaya inuulit-ulit niya lang yung same reactions and habits. Pero ang problema, kung luma at hindi helpful ang settings na ito, yun din ang mauulit-ulit sa buhay mo. Example ng common cycles. Cycle of worry. Lagi mong iniisip ang worst case scenario kahit wala pang nangyayari. Cycle of procrastination. Gusto mong kumilos pero lagi mong dinidelay. Tapos, guilty ka na naman. Cycle of stress. Maliit na trigger, big reaction, regret after. Cycle of self-doubt. May opportunity pero sinasabi mong, hindi ko kaya, kaya hindi ka umaabot sa next level. Kaya kahit aware ka na, minsan parang hindi mo pa rin matigil. Pero tandaan, awareness opens the door. Action lets you step out. At ang kagandahan, hindi mo kailangang baguhin lahat in one go. You just need to start with one conscious choice at a time. Breaking cycles is where real transformation happens. There are two ways to live life. On default, inuulit lang ang patterns ng subconscious. On design, gumagawa ng conscious choices aligned with your vision. At para makalipat mula default life to designed life, kailangan mong putulin ang lumang cycle. Guiding principles. You cannot create new results with old thinking. Every pause is power. Because in the pause, you can choose differently. There are 3-step conscious intervention process. Number 1, notice the trigger. Halimbawa, criticism, pressure, failure, rejection. Create the pause. Isang malalim na hinga. This separates stimulus from response. Choose a higher response. Tanungin ang sarili, ano ang aksyon na magdadala sa akin? Closer sa taong gusto kong maging. Analogy, isipin mo ang isip mo parang playlist. Kapag pinatugtog mo ang same song, old reaction. Same tune ang maririnig mo. Pero pwede mong skip at piliin ang bagong track. That's what conscious cycle breaking does. Every intentional choice is like planting a new seed. The more you plant, the more new results you will harvest. When you break your old cycle, everything changes. Anong epekto ng conscious cycle breaking sa totoong buhay? Emotional mastery. Hindi ka na basta-basta natitinag ng triggers. Mas kalmado, mas composed. Clearer decision making. Instead of reacting out of fear or pressure, mas objective ka at mas strategic. Consistency and progress. Hindi ka na stuck kasi kahit maliit, gumagalaw ka forward every day. Confidence and empowerment. Every time you choose differently, nadadagdagan ang paniniwala mo sa sarili mong kakayahan. Alignment and purpose. Mas nararamdaman mo na ang daily actions mo ay talagang naka-align sa vision mo for the future. At ang pinaka-importante, hindi lang ikaw ang magbe-benefit. Kapag nagbabago ang cycle mo, naapektuhan din ang relationships mo, career, health, at lahat ng aspeto ng buhay mo. Your cycle breaking toolkit. Here's a practical, repeatable framework. Number 1, pause and reset. Kapag may trigger, don't rush. Pause, breathe. Kahit 3 seconds lang. Powerful na yan. Number 2, interrupt and replace. Identify the old thought. Then, switch it with an empowering one. Example, hindi ko kaya. Isipin mo or sabihin mo, kaya kong magsimula sa maliit. Number 3, micro-decisions. Focus on the next smallest action, not the whole mountain. Action creates momentum, kahit 1% lang. Number 4, shift your state. Your body is a tool. Kung mental ka na stuck, galawin ang katawan. Walk, stretch, play music, change environment. Physical reset, mental reset. Number 5, alignment check. Ask yourself, is this aligned with who I want to become? Kung hindi, shift your focus. Number 6, celebrate breakthroughs. Every time you catch and shift a pattern, acknowledge it. Celebration lacks in the new behavior. Consistency is key. Hindi ito one-time fix, kundi daily practice. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Your next level starts when you choose differently. Awareness. Week 3. Observing your thoughts. Action. Week 4. Interrupting cycles plus choosing differently. Remember, you don't need to change your whole life overnight. You just need one conscious choice today, and then another tomorrow. Comment below, I choose to move forward today. Kung gusto mong mas malalim na guidance, DM me the word forward. We'll explore how to apply this cycle breaking strategies personally sa buhay mo.